The Metaverse is a virtual world where users can shop, play, watch, buy, sell, and pretty much do anything else we do in the real world. Just like social media, the Metaverse also takes place on computer servers. But unlike social media, which is only capable of sharing text, photographs, and video, the Metaverse also offers full virtual life. You have a virtual life as an avatar in the Metaverse, where you interact with other avatars, purchase real estate, do commerce, and do other activities. Sadly, the majority of people still find it challenging to purchase virtually owned lands, despite it being one of the most sought things to accomplish on the Metaverse. If you're among this set of people, stick around to the end of this video and you'll get all your answers. Please click the subscribe button to receive notifications whenever we drop a new video on Life of a Landlord. Let's dive right in. What exactly is virtual land in the Metaverse? Virtual land is, in its most basic form, a collection of digital picture parcels on Metaverse platforms, such as Decentraland, The Sandbox, or Roblox, which is a centralized Metaverse platform. Programmable areas called virtual plots of land allow anyone to create their own house, art galleries, event venues, or virtual commerce. However, the specifics of what you can construct depend on the Metaverse platform you choose. Owning digital land is comparable to owning virtual property. A plot of land can be purchased with non-fungible tokens or NFTs in two ways: directly on Metaverse platforms like Decentraland or in an NFT marketplace like Opensea. The NFT grants you authority to control and expand a certain virtual space on a specific Metaverse platform. Why are people buying Metaverse virtual lands? Purchasing virtual land in the Metaverse may seem absurd, especially considering that the least expensive parcel of land costs more than $10,000. Why then do people spend millions of dollars for virtual land in the Metaverse? As the Metaverse is still in its early stages of development, it presents appealing investment opportunities as the decentralized finance or DeFi industry is on the rise. Investors are venturing into a digital world in search of cutting-edge ways to diversify their assets by purchasing virtual properties that can be sold for a profit or rented out for passive income. How to invest in the Metaverse. The best Metaverse NFT projects and Metaverse games are two fantastic avenues for investing. The exponential growth of this gaming genre over the past year has been spurred by high-profile initiatives like Decentraland and The Sandbox. On the other hand, smaller initiatives have frequently been introduced that aim to build on the achievements of those that came before. The Metaverse gaming niche contains some of the most undervalued cryptocurrencies, with play-to-earn or PTE mechanisms being one of the most alluring features for players. With the help of these methods, players can receive in-game prizes in Bitcoin. In essence, this means that players can enjoyably monetize their gaming abilities. Among many other options, you can invest in the Metaverse through Metaverse NFTs, Metaverse cryptocurrencies, and Metaverse real estate. Those of you who are wondering how to invest in Metaverse real estate can do so by being a participant in various Metaverse projects that enable users to purchase plots of virtual land. How to purchase land in the Metaverse. Due to the specific terminology and procedures involved, purchasing land in the virtual world may initially seem intimidating. However, it is a straightforward process, and in just a few easy steps, you can be the proud owner of Metaverse virtual land. First, you have two options for buying land. Either search for land NFTs of a certain Metaverse on an NFT marketplace like Opensea, or go straight to a particular Metaverse platform like Decentraland Marketplace and buy the land NFT there. As an alternative, you can buy virtual land NFTs from your preferred Metaverse platform, in this example, The Sandbox, by going there. Once you have decided which Metaverse platform you want to purchase land on, you should search both the platform's market and any secondary NFT marketplaces, such as Opensea or Binance NFT, to locate the best deal. But before we discuss the step-to-step procedure for buying the Metaverse land, please take a moment to like, share, and let me know your thoughts on this by commenting. Do you know the first step in purchasing virtual land is deciding which Metaverse platform you want to purchase land on? This decision is based on many variables, including price, land size, and seller. If you don't already have a platform in mind, it would be a good idea to explore which would best serve your objectives. On these two platforms, the least expensive block of land can cost more than $15,000. Therefore, you should also look for other opportunities. The next action would be to buy cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies can be bought via exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. The majority of Metaverse platforms and NFT marketplaces demand that you buy cryptocurrencies beforehand. It implies that to purchase land in a Metaverse platform, you must first create an account with a digital wallet. Decentraland, for instance, can link up with Coinbase, MetaMask, Fortmatic, or WalletConnect wallets. We advise that you integrate a digital wallet that can be added to your browser for convenience, since you can use it to sign in and connect two different accounts, the wallet and the platform accounts, automatically. No matter which wallet you select, you must purchase cryptocurrency that is supported by the Metaverse platform you choose. For instance, Sandbox and Decentraland each have their digital currencies, Sand and Mana respectively. Additionally, because these platforms run on Ethereum blockchain, you would also need some ETH to pay for the gas costs. Wait, we're not done yet. The next step is to choose the piece of land you want to acquire after you've decided on the Metaverse platform, created your digital wallet, and bought some cryptocurrency. The NFT you buy has a location on the Metaverse map and contains directions to the area you control. As soon as the transaction is approved, you'll be listed as a new owner and be able to see the NFT in your digital wallet. You can either keep it as a long-term investment, sell it for a profit, or build something on it, depending on the purpose of your acquisition. After these procedures are finished, the next step would be to enter the NFT marketplace known as Opensea, which is utilized for buying and selling all kinds of digital assets, including virtual land and NFTs as well as crypto collectibles. Additionally, users can search for popular NFT projects and sell their current holdings on the Ethereum and Solana blockchains. The purchase itself is virtually anticlimactic, unlike the real estate transaction in the physical world. You only need to visit the platform's marketplace or a third-party website and click the button to buy once your digital currency is in your digital wallet. The platform verifies the transaction in a matter of seconds, making sure that you have enough money in your wallet and that the property may be transferred to you legally. When those checks are finished, the cash is removed from your wallet and replaced with an NFT that represents your transaction. The property is now registered in your name as the owner of an anonymous identity that is linked to your wallet and is personal to you. The process of selling a virtual property is essentially the opposite. You'll put your property up for sale. Someone else will click and verify before trading their cryptocurrency for an NFT, and your wallet will sell one NFT for a bunch of cryptocurrencies, hopefully at a profit. The main reason to buy virtual land in the Metaverse is this. The Metaverse shares many similarities with the real world when it comes to the motivations for purchasing real estate. In 2021, a $450,000 price tag was paid for a virtual plot of land next to Snoopverse, Snoop Dogg's virtual universe on the Sandbox platform. Even though many see the potential, buying virtual land may still seem like an odd investment. However, the marketplace is still very speculative. Investors' interest and hype aren't merely fueled by the prospect of long-term gains. Metaverse land also provides the opportunity to generate passive income by renting out real estate. Supply and demand, as well as scarcity, seem to drive up or down the property prices in digital real estate, much like they do in the physical world. Additionally, metaverses have a limited supply of land, which implies there are special investment opportunities. Research is essential before investing in metaverse real estate because digital assets like virtual land are still very speculative and carry increased risk for both novice and experienced investors. There will be more things to do and more places to buy as the metaverse continues to grow. A significant increase in the price of land in the metaverse may be seen in the future as the value of owning land in the metaverse keeps increasing daily. If you still have thoughts and questions about how to purchase land on Opensea, let us know in the comment section, and I may make another video concerning them. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, or subscribe for more videos from the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.